Some girls are not girls, even if they say they are. They are just performing. They'll say the perfect right things to you, they'll compliment you, they'll support you, but the second you are out of their sight, you're facing their back on them, they'll start bitching about you. They pretend to be girls just because it's trendy, but when it comes to show it, when it comes to really support women, they compare, they gossip, they tear you down, and they even try to literally shred you in parts so that you can no longer be the confident version of yourself. And, and to me, they are not girls. They are simply mean girls that I know. Like, to me, you can't tell me that you are selectively girl. You are girl to people who are not your competition. But the second you think that she is your competition or someone else is your competition, you would tear them down. You would not even think twice before doing that, then you're not a girl. Stop calling yourself girl. They will start tearing you down. They will pick you on your insecurities. They will point your insecurities and laugh about them, not just alone. They will do it in the circle, and they will make you look as a whole different person in front of others. When the time comes to really support a woman, to really take a stand for girls, they will never do that. They will never stand up for you. In fact, they will make it worse for you by adding on to the rumors, adding on to your trauma, your insecurities, picking them out and laughing about it. They are not your friends. You need to understand that these people are all around us. Being a girls mean that you hold space for girls when they are shining, when they are being themselves, and not judge them for that. But these girls, even though they will pretend like they do that, but they won't. You know what? I'll tell you what real girl is. A girl would hold space for other women so that they can shine, so that they can be themselves and not judge her for that. Girls would not support you in your wrongs. They will show you the way that you can make it right. They will make sure you realize that you have made a mistake and there is a chance for you to make it right. Girl would never support you on your wrongs. If somebody really cares about you and if they're supporting you in your wrong, that person is not your friend. Matter of fact, that person is not even a girl. Even if they are not a girl, they don't want something good to happen to you. If somebody is supporting you in your wrongs, that person is not your friend. That is your enemy. You should run from them. Because the moment somebody is like gratifying and giving you validation for the wrongs you have done, that's not your friend. A friend would never support you in your wrong. They will tell you that this is what you have done wrong, make it right. They will be there for you to support you when you need help, but they won't support your wrongs. They won't validate you for that. Only girls that would support your wrongs are these mean wannabe girls because they don't want you to be successful. They don't want you to grow. They don't want you to have the level of growth that would make you shine even more. These are the girls who would support you in your wrongs. They are doing it just for show. They just want to be trendy. They just want people to accept them. That's why they are doing it. There is no other reason. Everybody tries to be nice even if they are not. Like, be yourself, bitch. Like, if you're not nice, if you're just a mean girl, just own it. Like, who is coming for you? Like, you don't have to be pretending to be a soft nice girl always. Like, if you're not, don't pretend. At least be true to yourself. Some of this mean wannabe girls pretend that they have created femininity. Like, they will pretend as if they are the original, and anyone who wears the same thing as them, puts on the same thing as them, uses the same thing as them, is copying them. Bro, the amount of times I have seen a girl talking about how the other girl is copying her. Like, I'm like, don't you understand? Like, world is so generic nowadays that you can never have something that's original until you make it like custom made for yourself. And if you have that amount of money, then you can say that, oh, somebody is copying me. But if you don't have that amount of money to start with, why are you saying that she copied me? Don't tell me that you bought that freaking sweater from H&M and nobody else can wear it now just because you bought it. Like if somebody walks in and wears the same exact outfit as me, I would say that we have a telepathic connection. I would be simply like, girl, are you my twin or something like that. I would, nobody, no girl would think that somebody else is copying her, because smart girls know that everything in this world is generic. Nobody is copying anyone. Everybody has money. Everyone can buy shit nowadays. Take an example of Labubus. Labubus are so famous. Everybody can buy them. Why? Because everybody has money. Chill. Chill. Nobody is copying you. You are not Kylie Jenner. You are not Alia Bhatt. You are not a celebrity. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about what you wear, what you put on, which perfume you spray on. Nobody gives a shit. Nobody cares. I also feel that these mean wannabe girls need to understand that there is enough space for everyone to grow. You don't have to tear apart someone else just because you think that they are your competition. This world is so vast that we all can grow together. We don't have to take away from somebody else just to be successful. We all can be successful together. And success can look different to everyone. Any girls who are girl knows how it feels to be in a room full of people who you know that hate you and still pretend to be nice on your face. The world is full of them, and that's why they turn into girls because they don't want other people or other girls to feel the same feelings that they have felt. They try to be supportive, they try to hold space for other women, and this is a space and this is an initiative by women to make the world a bit nicer place for women to live in. Don't ruin it for us. So yeah, being a girl isn't about a quote on your story or a tweet that you repost. It's about who you are when no one is watching, how you treat a woman when you are threatened, and if you only support a woman when you are the star of the story, then you're not a girl, you are pretending to be one. There is a lot of space for all of us to grow together. We don't have to break each other to succeed. We are not each other's competition. We are each other's support. So let's not break, but make together. That's it. Thank you for watching.